Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Leads. 10 most popular psychological persuasion theories to influence people. Do you want to influence the people in your social circle in a friendly way? Do you want to create a lasting impact on your business, clients, and audience? Now learn the most popular persuasion theories. It will help you greatly. Okay? Persuasion is a skill that takes a lot of practice to master. Understanding the psychology behind how people are persuaded can help us deliver information more effectively and be more influential in our personal and professional lives. Top 10 persuasion theories you must know. Okay, number first, amplification hypothesis. Okay, according to this theory, your chances of persuading others will improve if you can project the attitude as your listener. Okay, once a person said, when you express with certainty a particular attitude, that attitude hardens. Okay, the opposite is true as well. Expressing uncertainty soften is the attitude. Okay, now the amplification hypothesis process that when the attitude for delivering an argument is determined, then it can get a rather resistant to persuasion when you are more emotional while presenting to someone who prefers a cognitive approach. You will have no impact on them. The same logic is applied to the reverse. Okay, number two, ultimate terms. Okay, that is like ultimate terms. One of the simplest yet most effective persuasion theories is the use of ultimate terms. Words can be highly powerful and certain words have more impact than others. The choice of words we use when delivering argument can have a profound influence on others. Okay? Number 3, sleeper effect. This theory refers to the strategy of using messages with subtle persuasion and increasing them in frequency over time. The least persuasion messages most of the time come from sources that aren't much credible. However, when the message is separated from its source, it can become persuasive. Okay? Number 4, information manipulation theory. This theory uses the 4 components that form the truth to influence someone. The information manipulation theory involves a persuasive person deliberately breaking one of the 4 conversational maximums. Okay, for example, the 4 examples are quantity, quality, relation, and manner. These 4 things are important for information manipulation theory. Okay, anyway, number 5, priming. Okay, we can influence someone through stimuli that affect the way they think, behave, and act in the short run. Priming occurs when a stimulus is provided by the persuader that may influence someone's thoughts and actions, even when the stimulus is non-relaxed or is non-related. Number 6th one, conversion theory. This is one of the most well-known persuasion theory, which shows how minority group can successfully persuade the majority group to accept their views and support their cause. This notion is firmly based on 4 primary factors: resistance, confidence, consistency, and being unbiased. Okay, number 7th one, reciprocity norm. Okay, a common social norm, reciprocity, involve our obligation to return favors done by others. Writes Kevin, there is an unwritten social rule that if you give or offer something to someone, you should await for the person to return that favor. Although it is socially accepted and established, that is not a voluntary action. Okay. Number 8 one, y'all attitude change approach. This is one of the few persuasion theories that have been extensively studied for years, based on significant research conducted by Yale University. This theory discovered various factors found in persuasive communication and speech. These include the attractiveness and credibility of the speaker, the ideal target demographics, and when and how to message is delivered. Okay. Number 9th one, scarcity principle. All of us want to right to make choices, and even control our surroundings. Hence, when we find that something has become scarce, even if we didn't consider it important earlier, we will have a stronger desire to acquire it. The scarcity principle is widely used in marketing and retail to persuade people to buy things they don't want to. Okay. And the last one, 10th one, social influence. Last but definitely not least, this is perhaps one of the most widely known persuasion theories, thanks to social media and online influencers. Influences from our social circle can encourage us to chance or to change our perception and behavior. Depending on the relationship we have with the influencer, social influence can be a highly effective persuasion technique. However, one need to be aware of the three main aspects of social influence, namely obedience, compliance, and conformity. Okay. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.